Welcome back with a 1.5 magnitude earthquake that 3 miles north of Cornwall, Quebec, Canada, happened on New Year's Eve at 5:53 p.m. Central Standard Time. Depth of 11 miles. There's a coordinates. So with that, that's it. Just zooming into the epicenter to get a better look on where exactly this happened. Appears to be near a golf course, actually. Just east of a golf course, north of the McDonald Cartier Freeway, Service Road, either way, and in a forest. Either way, that's that. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.